What's up, Catskill? It's Maddie.
And Kaylee.
And here's the Catskill News. We had 3 teams reach the championship levels this winter season.
Yeah, wrestling, bowling, and volleyball.
Dan Forbes made it all the way to states for wrestling.
Kiana has a report on the bowling success at states.
The volleyball team just came short in the finals.
Amazing performances, Catskill.
Pizza, pizza, pizza. We love pizza here at Catskill, and we get pizza day once a week. What's your favorite pizza, and how do you have yours made? Well, here's Tristan with the pizza report.
What pizza do you like?
I like the round ones, the personal.
All right. What do the kids like the best?
It's between the stuffed crust and the personal. I like them both, the extra favorite.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What kind of pizza do you like?
What kind of pizza do I like? I like pizza loaded with extra cheese and chicken.
Cheese pizza with pineapple on it.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I love like meat pizza, like all the meat on the pizza, and it has to have extra cheese. It has extra cheese. I won't eat it without extra cheese. Extra cheese. Like it's all gooey.
Yeah,
Love it.
extra cheese is
Love
fire.
it.
Yep.
Everyone knows my
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like 2 types. I like Sicilian, and I also like pizza with meatball, pepper, and onion on it.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like pepperoni pizza.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like pepperoni pizza.
What kind of pizza do you love?
Oh, I like pepperonis with green peppers on my pizza.
All kinds of pizza. Whatever you put on it, I'll eat it.
Thanks, Tristan.
Sleepy Hollow Lake is looking for lifeguards, and they will pay for the training. Please contact Julia DiGiovanni at 518-713-6175.
Here's Mr. Shah with his weekly address to our students and community.
Hey Catskill High School, it's Mr. Shah, your principal. Tonight, on Wednesday evening of this past week, we're hosting the future freshmen here for the class of 2026. Before you know it, our seniors are going to be out of here, and we're going to welcome a new class. It's going to be awesome having you guys up here. We can't wait to see you. Spring sports have started, and it's great to see kids out there with their baseball bats and softball bats and running the new track. It's really great seeing everyone using our new facilities, and we hope that we can see even more kids out there for next season. Also, don't forget, 2 weeks from Friday ends the 3rd marking period. Make sure all your work is in and turned in. Make sure you speak to your teachers. The week after that is parent conferences on the 13th and 14th. We have half days of school that week. Also, after that is spring break. So hang tight. Before you know it, you'll be hanging out in the sun. That's all for today. Have an outstanding day and weekend, and go Cats. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shah.
Our PBIS program is all about positive energy and helping students develop the soft skills needed for a successful high school career leading to college or career success.
Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about PBIS. So PBIS stands for Positive Behavior Interventions and Supports. So basically, most of the students that come in every day and do exactly what they need to do and come here to get your education, we like to reward you for those behaviors. So when you're being safe, being respectful, and being responsible, we get rewarded. So we've had 2 quarterly celebrations so far. The first quarter was the bagel party. So for students that had less than 4 lates, 4 absences, and no major discipline referrals. Got a bagel party first quarter, and second quarter we did the dessert bar. So to all those that were at the party, congratulations. Keep earning your gold tickets. So to earn a gold ticket, you be safe, be responsible, and be respectful. And then you can put these into the boxes by the main office, and we draw them at the end of each month. So keep up the good work and go Cats.
Such important skills for our students.
School Tool has recently moved to cloud, and you will now need to log onto your School Tool using your Google account credentials. You will see the icon on the School Tool logon page and says sign in with Google. Just click the sign in with Google icon and you will be asked to choose your Google account. Choose your Google account and it will log into School Tool for you.
One of our winter championship runs was achieved by our bowling team. Here's Kiana with the report.
How long have you been bowling for?
I've been bowling since 8th grade, so about 5 years.
Tell us about the team this year and how you got to this point.
The team did okay. We came second in the Patroon Conference. Practice was 2 days a week and matches were 2 days a week.
How has your coach impacted you throughout your career?
He's impacted a lot. He's stuck by us the entire time. He never gave up on us. And he's one of the best coaches out there.
What is your highest scoring game?
My high game is a 279.
Any tips for a beginner bowler?
Don't give up. Just stick through it. It's going to be difficult, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be good.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, competing in the state championship is an amazing accomplishment. Congratulations.
The Naval Academy's Summer STEM program is for students thinking of a career as a coder, game developer, designer, or robotics engineer. The summer program is a week-long camp for 9th through 11th graders interested in a future in science, technology, engineering, and math. Students must apply by March 31st.
The annual Martin Luther King March for Peace and Justice was a success, with so many of our community attending the event. It is so important to host community events like this to share with our community.
The Catskill High School Interact Club hosted the annual Martin Luther King March for Peace and Justice on February 17th. The march began at the Second Baptist Church with a presentation from their pastor to kick off the event.
For 20 years, that you have allowed this community to come together to celebrate and commemorate the life, the legacy, and the love of the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr.
The march went from the church down Main Street to the Greene County Courthouse. Students presented why we marched to the courthouse and explained the historical implications.
Tonight we also want to remember all the victims of anti-Semitism, racism, xenophobia from the church, New Zealand to Pittsburgh, Philadelphia to Texas, Arizona, and Brooklyn, New York. Thank you.
We then went over the Uncle Sam Bridge, then to the steps of the middle school. At the school, students, clergy, and our school leaders were able to give their speeches telling us the importance of Martin Luther King Day and explaining what it means to them.
We'll be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day, even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of injustice, sweltering with the heat of oppression, will be transformed to an oasis of freedom and justice.
Thank you to everyone who participated and supported this important community event.
Thank you so much, Alyssa.
Okay. What's Tarzan's favorite Christmas song?
Oh my god, what?
Jungle Bells.
That's so fake. Come on, Maddie.
Thanks for watching Cats Can and Gatsville.